Hi everybody, I'm Cindy.
I'm Debbie.
We're Sisters in Stitches. Welcome to our channel. And we have BoxyCharm Luxe, right?
Luxe, but we have double Luxe. Cindy got one and I got one. Basically, we wanted to see if they actually stick to those profiles that you fill out. Now, we both love BoxyCharm, and once every quarter you can do these additional big boxes for an additional
$28, I
So
think.
the box comes to like $58. It's normally $21 a month, but this box has a ton of stuff in it, so you'll still get your money back.
Yeah, $21 you get like guaranteed $100, and this
generally has $2 to $250.
So this is $50,
yeah.
and it's minimum $200.
Yeah. So anyway, Cindy and I are going to pull out our items and see if we both have it. So we both got the same card.
Yes, we did.
And we have those in front of us.
We didn't put like mascara.
We didn't put a whole lot of makeup on because you know how we love to try it on the minute we get it. So we've even got our brushes down here and everything. So the first thing's sitting on top. So it looks like this. It's this thing and everything's underneath it.
Wait, go ahead, lift it back up again. I'll show. Oh, I was just going to show them the box underneath. And that's all the stuff underneath.
So the first thing we pull out is a kind of a makeup bag. And we both got the same. These will be perfect. We're going to Europe in May, and all mine are kind of trashy, so this will be perfect to bring with on our little trip.
This is the BoxyCharm train case. It's an exclusive.
Here's the inside.
It's very spacious, retails for $20.
This is a very nice cosmetic
cute,
bag.
isn't
I
it?
love it. Thank you, BoxyCharm. Okay, so I'm just gonna reach in and Cindy's gonna see if she has the same thing.
All right.
So, okay, the next thing, do you have this?
I do.
This is called Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. I love the peel off mask.
Containing
They're so
a
fun.
blend of skin-loving acai.
Acai, she said it right instead of acai.
I used to call it acai, yes.
Ooh, it smells good.
I have to use my own stuff because I just got over a week
Yes, Cindy's
of
been sick and I don't want to get
horrible
sick,
illness.
so I won't be trying on any of her stuff. It smells good. This is for our
really
Sunday night. Cindy and I,
See?
Cindy started
Yeah.
doing on, okay, your hand was right in my face.
See
On
everybody?
Sunday nights, Cindy used to have this regimen where she'd use all her peel off masks, her hair masks. She does all that on Sunday night. So I started kind of doing that too, where I do all my beauty regimens on Sundays. So this will be perfect. My first peel off Sunday night mask.
Wander is a really, really nice cosmetic company. It's a little expensive, so I love when I get this stuff in.
This retails for $34 for this little thing. So right now, this bag and this, you're only $4 short from what you spent on the whole box.
Yes, yeah.
So, okay, that'll go inside the bag. Okay, the next, ooh, you know how Cindy and I love eyelashes. Those will be going on in Europe.
Oh, yeah.
Are yours the exact same length?
Yeah.
I really wish I could get good at doing these, but I think you need good eyesight. We even had those professional ones put on and we loved them, but you guys, it was $150 just to have the initial set put on and $75
Minimum.
every 2 weeks.
Yeah.
I didn't have that kind of money, so it was fun to wear them for 6 weeks.
These are, oh my gosh, these are exclusive
Lily
faux
lashes.
mink Gaia lashes. They retail for these retail for $25. They're faux mink. So what's the difference between faux mink and?
I don't know. That's
But
the new word, vegan and faux.
Yeah, they're not vegan lashes. They're just faux. Oh, those are going to be fun.
So the next thing, you have a lipstick.
I do.
Mine is my color is a sugar, and Cindy's got a different color.
By Becca. Mine is taupe.
Yours is darker. Now, why would you get the darker one?
I don't know. Ooh, I like the container.
Yeah, look at this color. I love this color, you guys.
Okay, here it goes. Because I can't share lipsticks.
I like the neutrals. Cindy couldn't wear a neutral because then she'd have no lips.
Maybe that's why. What do you guys think?
I like that it camouflages mine.
Oops.
I like that color on you. It's not too dark and not too light.
It's pretty. And it's called, oh, it's just taupe. So thank you, Becca. How much does this retail for? $24.
Yeah, and I love this. Mine is called Sugar, and I love it. I love these.
Mine is taupe.
Sugary taupe. Okay.
Yeah, I would look like I was like an albino. You wouldn't be able to see my face.
Yeah, but I have dark skin, and as the summer comes, my face gets really dark.
Yeah.
This will look really nice.
Yeah, that's
so
true.
I'm excited. Do you have a Cover FX?
Yes,
What
I
is
love
this?
Cover
What
FX.
is this? Perfector Face Palette.
You know,
What do you do with this?
okay, I don't know how many of you got the emails from BoxyCharm CEO, but apparently these palettes were sent out and they weren't in line with your profile. So they gave us $4,500 like BoxyCharm points, which equals $45 to spend on their website for makeup.
I don't think they needed to do that. I like this.
But yeah, it's just a highlighter and a brightener and a contouring. So we just have to learn how to do that.
I'm putting on this one in the corner, this one, just to see what it does.
That's a highlighter. Okay.
There. Can you... I better put a little bit more pink on there. So you can
Maybe
see.
I'll do a little highlighting up here, a little highlighting here. Hide those little old lady wrinkles. You know, as I'm losing weight in my face, I'm starting to see
I know.
it
See these
more
wrinkles
right
that you start to
here.
get on your neck as you get older?
What is that? That's my turkey gobbles.
Yeah.
Oh,
I
well.
think I wouldn't get a facelift, but I would definitely say, get that off.
No, you just get tape. You put tape right here. You pull it to the other side and underneath your hairline. And look, ladies, you just need duct tape.
It's so bad that you just can't. That's how they say you can tell how old a woman is, by her neck. Because
I'm
even if you get a
telling you.
facelift, generally you can still see the age
You know,
in the neck.
when
Anyway, this is a really cute palette. When
Yeah.
Dad what?
When he used to butterfly our cuts,
cuts
so
and stuff, yeah.
That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cut out like a little butterfly, and I'm gonna, you know how you put those things across your noses to breathe? I'm gonna
Breathe
put
right.
it at the back of my neck so it's pulled.
All right,
Anyway,
so the next thing.
I like this.
I like this. I think it'll be really fun, the highlighters, especially in the summer when you're, like, my face will get really tan, and so I stop wearing, like, blush. I would just use a highlighter on my cheeks because my face does get really
so you
dark.
think I'm white now? Just wait till the summer. If you go back and look at like last year's videos, I'm still a ghost, and she's like,
No, I
dark,
was pretty
dark.
light because my husband had just passed away in June, so I wasn't spending time in the sun like I normally do. But this summer, I'm back in the sun.
okay, this is iconic eyebrow cushion.
Uh-oh! What does that mean?
It gives your brows the wow they deserve with Sculpting Boost.
So here's the
It's
package. It's really cute.
$40.
It's metal. And then look at inside it. It's got like, I don't know if you can see it, but it's got like this little tray. And it's got this little fold-up brush. So,
Oh, and you gotta take the paper off. Oops. Oh, it's like you want to leave the paper on, by the way. See?
uh-oh, did I just get that all over my mouth? Okay, so what is this stuff? What do you do with it?
I don't know.
Well, it's got a little brush here. So you probably paint it onto your eyebrows. You know, me and eyebrows.
Oh, God
It's
help
got a
us.
mirror right here, so here, I can do
Okay,
this.
there you go. I'm not gonna put it on.
It's like wet. It's like a sponge.
Well, you're not even looking to see which one you do first. You're probably doing step 2. There's 2 brushes. So
Well, I'm
there's
doing the
2
lighter of
sides.
the 2.
Okay.
So what does it say you do?
There isn't anything.
Well, so anybody that
Innovative
knows
two-shade
anything
liquid
about
brow.
this, so it's got this liquid brow, and it's got this brush with this. So you probably put it on with the brush and then brush it out with the
angled brush makes for precise application. So.
Yeah, so I'm sure you just get it on the brush and then fill in.
Let's see if Debbie's gonna have one eyebrow up to the top of her forehead. And
oh, can you tell that I had to put it on? A little eye on that
see,
side.
I told you. I knew she was gonna do that. I just knew it.
All right, but it's really fun. It's a really fun product, so I'll play with it. And I love that you can travel with it because this bends down and goes back in the little case. Another little European project for that Scottish man I'm gonna meet and marry. All right, so the next thing, do you have this in your box? It's called Confidence in a Cream.
I love It Cosmetics. I love, love, love it.
What is this?
It's just moisturizing.
It's a moisturizer.
Developed by plastic surgeons.
Oh.
Anti-aging. Oh, I'm almost out of mine.
What does this retail for? This is going to be a big one.
$48,
yeah.
You guys.
You always know these bad boys are going to be expensive.
Here's what
it
looks like.
Ooh, it smells citrusy.
Oh, I do. I like this a lot.
Anti-aging.
You know what's so nice about these BoxyCharms? I would never just go out and spend $48 on a moisturizer that I haven't been able to try.
No, exactly. And that's why BoxyCharm is my favorite box that I get.
You guys, this smells so good.
Anybody
Smell-o-vision,
loves
smell.
that,
I know some of you went like this. I know it. I know it. But
it's really, really nice, you guys. It's
I'm
creamy
really
and nice.
anxious. I love It Cosmetics, so I'm very happy with this.
I love its hairspray too. They have the best hairspray. Oh, I love their hairspray.
All right.
All right. So that was good. Now, do you have this? Oh, it looks like nail polish.
This is by Deborah Lippmann. The dual patented formula in your new 2-piece sets lets you bring the nail salon home.
Oh, yeah. So these are kind of like my lip color. Aren't they cute? Cindy doesn't have nail polish on. I do, so I can't put it on.
Oh, it gives you the effects of the gel polish without the damage.
Oh, cool. That's perfect for you.
Yeah.
You just took your nails off.
I took my nails off and I'm letting them grow, and I'm going to be filing and doing just, you know, saving the $80 a month. It was $40 each time I did it. So now I can do it myself.
Of course. She'll put them back on.
No.
We all take them off.
I know.
I think we're going to keep them
But
on.
when I paint, I literally look like I'm in 3rd grade when I'm done. Because I got
but I did nails for 20 years, so if she's nice to me, I can paint her nails once a week.
Ooh, more brushes.
So we have some
Moda.
brushes. These retail for
$30.
And it's a powder brush and a soft glow. So one's for translucent powder.
Yeah, the
and
one's
one
for the highlighter.
is for the highlighter that I just put on.
I love brushes.
Oh, I love
Can never
these.
have enough.
Okay, cool.
Of course, I always go to the same ones that I use all the time, but that I'm very happy with that.
All right, and then I only have one thing left, the big palette.
Now yours is 15D, mine's 15N. So let's see what the difference is. And this is by Morphe.
And this runs $16. Wow.
Ooh.
So Cindy's got like a pink in hers that I don't have. Mine are all toward the warm tones. Hers are too, but
a little bit, but I have more cool tones in there.
Man, these are really orangey. I don't even know how I would use those.
In the summer, I think it'll look great.
Oh, maybe.
And I think that's why they gave everybody or not everybody, I shouldn't say that. Both Debbie and I got it. That's why they gave you a $45 credit. So now you could probably go on their website.
Oh, I see. This is the one.
This is the palette.
I would prefer that palette over this one.
So now you can go on and spend $45 on their website and pick out the palette that best suits you.
Okay.
I'm happy with this though, actually.
Yeah, this is a little orangey for me, but we'll see.
You know, you can save that and we can put it in our next giveaway, and then you can just buy them with the free $45 that they gave you by the...
That's true.
You know what I mean?
It's a great palette. It's just not my coloring.
So
Okay, so that was our BoxyCharm.
75, 115, 149.
Well, don't forget the brushes, so 45, 30.
175 and 48. 223 to I don't know. It's like almost.
It's over $200.
Yeah, almost $300.
Yeah,
$275 worth of stuff that we
for
got for
$58.
49. It was 21 plus 28.
Oh yeah. Oh right. So we only had to pay an additional $28 to get this box.
I'm very happy that I upgraded my quarterly box.
I didn't even know I did it. I was so excited when I saw it come. So I have this habit of cleaning up after we do this on camera, so I'm sorry. Cindy has to constantly tell me don't clean up on camera. So.
Right.
We have several boxes to do tonight that Cindy's been sick, so they've been piling up.
Yeah.
We haven't been able to do a lot of videos, but she's better now. It took her over a week to get over it. And so we will be back at you with a few more boxes
Hit
tonight.
that notify bell and that little subscribe button. If you hover over it, you can just click right on the subscribe while the video's running. You don't even have to stop us, so please do. The more the merrier.
Look at my eyebrows. I don't like your attitude.
All right, thanks for watching, having some fun. Hope we put a smile on your face. And until the next video, adios.
And we'll change our shirts, I promise.
Adios.
Bye.